Good morning, or good morning. Here we are in a really nice service station just outside Munich. It's probably the best toilet I've ever been in. You get this ticket for €0.50, yeah, which gets you into the toilet. And then, when you've gone to the toilet, watch this. We go here, we press the button, and well, what can you say? Should we do that again, just for fun? Yeah, well, pretty epic, amazing, what? Oh yeah, guten Farben.